Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert page numbers in Google Docs starting from specific page such as page number 3. So the first step is to ensure that your Google Docs document is open and ready for editing. So this is our Google Docs document. Now place your cursor on page from where you want the page numbering to start from. In our case it's page number 3. So click here. Now click on the Insert tab in the main menu. Now scroll down and place your cursor over break and then select section break next page. As you can see, a new page has been created. Just hit the backspace and we are again on the page number 3. Now click on Insert tab again, then hover your cursor over page numbers and choose page number formatting. So we are going to select the first one. Now go to page number 3 and double click on page number. Now uncheck this option link to previous. Now click on options drop down menu and select page numbers. In page numbers pop-up, make sure show on first page option is checked and the page numbering starts at 1. Now click on apply button. Now the page numbering starts from page number 3. Now go to the first two pages and delete the page numbers by double clicking on it. As you can see, the page number has been deleted. So that's how to add page number in Google Docs starting from page number 3. Thanks for watching.